Have you ever been on a flight and experienced a sharp pain in your ear? Perhaps it happened while the aircraft was descending to land. Maybe it didn't lessen until you were back in the airport terminal. Ear pain when flying can turn a relaxing flight into a miserable experience. But why does it happen, and more importantly, how can you prevent it? In this video, I'll explain the science behind why flying causes ear pain and give you practical tips to keep it at bay during all three phases of your flight. The science behind ear pain. When flying. Before we discuss remedies, let's understand why ear pain occurs during flights. The problem lies in the eustachian tube, a small canal that connects your middle ear to the back of your nose and throat. Its job is to equalize the pressure in your middle ear with the air pressure outside. Rapid changes in altitude cause the air pressure to shift faster than your eustachian tube can adapt, resulting in a pressure imbalance that leads to discomfort or even pain. Climbing to cruising altitude. As the plane ascends, the external air pressure drops rapidly, while the pressure in your middle ear remains the same. This difference creates a vacuum that pulls your eardrum inward, leading to that familiar feeling of pressure or pain. To combat this, start by swallowing or yawning frequently during takeoff. Both actions help open the eustachian tube, allowing air to flow into the middle ear and equalize the pressure. Chewing gum or sucking on sweets can also stimulate the muscles around the eustachian tube, encouraging it to open more frequently. If you're prone to severe discomfort, try the Valsalva maneuver. Pinch your nostrils closed, take a deep breath, and gently blow as if you're trying to inflate a balloon. This can help push air into the middle ear and balance the pressure. Be careful not to blow too forcefully, as this can damage your ears. At cruising altitude. At cruising altitude, the cabin pressure is stabilized, which usually provides relief from ear pain. However, the air inside the cabin is drier than usual, which can dry out the mucous membranes in your nose and throat, making it harder for your eustachian tubes to function properly. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the flight. If your ears are still feeling uncomfortable, continue to chew gum or perform the Valsalva maneuver to keep the pressure in check. During the descent. Descent is often the most painful part of the flight for your ears. As the plane drops in altitude, the air pressure in the cabin rises again, pushing your eardrums outward. This is where most people experience that sharp, intense ear pain. To alleviate this, continue swallowing, yawning, or chewing gum as you did during ascent. The Valsalva maneuver can also be particularly helpful here, but if it doesn't work, try the Toynbee maneuver. Close your mouth, pinch your nostrils, and swallow. This forces your eustachian tubes to open and helps balance the pressure. If you're flying with a cold, allergies, or sinus issues, consider using a nasal decongestant spray about 30 minutes before landing. Olbus oil is particularly good for this. You can get it on Amazon. This can help reduce any swelling in the nasal passages and improve airflow through the eustachian tubes. Flying doesn't have to be a painful experience for your ears. By understanding the phases of flight and how they affect ear pressure, you can take proactive steps to alleviate discomfort. Remember these simple techniques and pack your essentials, gum, water, and perhaps a decongestant to ensure a more comfortable flight. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying comfortable and healthy while traveling.